Folks, what if you could stop paying for 10 different subscriptions and finish your work 3 times faster? Most tools leave you with half-done outputs that still require manual processing. Meet Genspark, an all-in-one AI workspace from Silicon Valley that's valued at $1 billion after just 6 months. It doesn't just chat with you, but completes entire projects from start to finish. My name is Daniel, and today I'll show you how this system handles real scenarios. You'll see it manage emails, create presentations, and build complete strategies without switching tools. By the end, you'll understand why this might replace your entire software stack. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's get into it. Mates, here's the issue most people face. You subscribe to ChatGPT for writing, Canva for design, Google Workspace for documents, and maybe Notion for organization. Each tool does one thing well, but nothing talks to each other. You spend half your day copying information between apps and losing context every time you switch. Genspark approaches this differently. It's an all-in-one AI space that orchestrates multiple models like GPT, Claude, and Gemini to handle complete workflows. Instead of managing separate tools, you work in one environment where everything connects automatically. My friends, the platform is built for professionals who need to move fast, the kind who build projects, not just manage them. If you operate without a large technical team or a bloated budget, this changes the game. You define the goal, and the system takes over the execution across every necessary format, all while keeping the full context intact. What makes this practical is the shift in your role. You move from micromanaging tasks to overseeing outcomes. Genspark handles the structure, gathers the needed information, and iterates on the output, delivering results that are ready to use from the start. Guys, let's walk through a real scenario. You wake up to an inbox full of messages, and one of them is from an important client. They need a strategic response, and they need it today. On top of that, you have to prepare a presentation for an upcoming call. Normally, this means hours of work across multiple apps. With Genspark, the approach is different. A wide array of tools here covers most needs. The panel shows advanced agents and basic agents below them. Overall, they cover the majority of situations that arise. The platform also supports personalized integrations. You can see options to connect tools like Microsoft Teams, Supabase database, and others. Folks, since we need to handle that client email, let's connect Gmail first. After that, we ask the system to review your unread notifications. It scans through the inbox and pulls out the most important ones. The agent even summarizes the overall status and highlights the most critical message. Mates, this is exactly what we need, so we ask it to write a strategic reply for the client. The platform gathers the necessary information, evaluates which points require attention, and begins drafting the email. The process is visible, and everything can be edited if needed. The response explains the strategy and the logic behind it. You can read the summary below and decide if adjustments are necessary. Once you're satisfied, send the email directly. To verify it went through, just check AI inbox. There it is, confirmed and delivered. Now, my friends, we need to create a presentation to visualize the plan and strategy before the client call. Genspark offers different styles to choose from, so we can pick one that fits the situation better and apply it to our case. But for now, we just write what we want from the agent, being as specific as possible to meet the client's expectations. The thinking process begins immediately. The agent breaks the request into steps and executes them one by one. You can see how it thinks through the task, then builds the slide we asked for. At the same time, you can watch the code being written in parallel. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. The result looks solid. What we requested is there, and the approach is interesting. The platform suggests next steps, like animating the slide or adding more content. Let's go ahead with both. In the end, we get 2 slides. The first one is animated, and the second features well-formatted tables with clean design. Both of them can be edited manually using the basic toolbar. Genspark allows you to replace text, adjust positioning, or use AI Edit to refine the layout and polish the content. There's also a fact-checking option for each slide. Just click the button, and a prompt is automatically inserted into the chat. The agent reviews all the information and provides a verdict with supporting details. As you can see, the first slide is confirmed as conceptually sound and supported by industry research. Folks, all changes can be undone by reverting to a previous version. In the export panel, you can save the presentation as a template or turn it into an AI narration with podcast-style commentary. You can also share it directly with the client via email. Beyond that, Genspark opens possibilities for collaboration right on the platform. You simply add your colleague through email and communicate about the project directly here without leaving the workspace. To actually call the client, we can choose the Call for Me function. It works as your phone assistant, supporting calls to most countries worldwide. You verify your phone first, then use it for communicating. You can see examples of prompts for popular tasks and adapt them to your needs. Mates, when you need something more specific, simply search in the custom Super Agent function. It opens powerful AI agents created by the community. You can see trending ones and explore options created by the Genspark team. For this case, let's use the Social Media Pro. We ask it to create a launch content strategy for the same product discussed earlier, which we'll present during the call. It creates a plan for different media, then offers 5 post ideas. Guys, you can review what works best, and each post reflects a conversational style. As you can see, it uses calls to action, emojis, and questions to engage people. Then the agent offers TikTok hooks. If you need a video for the product launch, these hooks help with that exact action. It also provides strategy notes for TikTok, hashtags, and everything needed to launch the campaign. The flow integrates all core project phases within a single, unified workspace. Okay, my friends, let's wrap it up. What you just saw is how Genspark handles connected work without forcing you to jump between apps. The platform keeps everything in one place, from managing emails to building presentations and preparing client materials. You define what needs to be done, and the tool executes while keeping all the pieces together. This approach makes sense if your work involves multiple formats, but needs to stay organized around a single goal. Guys, you can try Genspark with free credits right after sign-up. The AI chat and AI image features come with unlimited usage. This includes access to top models like Nano Banana Pro, GPT Image, Flux, Gemini, and Claude Opus. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.